Okay, part two of the Fat Tire bike video review here. Okay, so I'm going back to my notes. Alright, so now I want to show the whole bike here. Okay, so it is a Trek, which is good for the lifetime warranty on the frame. Because I've had bikes in the past that were not... Well, I've even had a Trek bike in the past where the frame cracked. So I've had at least a couple, maybe 2 or 3 bikes where the frame is damaged. So, yeah, the last time it was a Trek bike, and it was when I got that one. The frame cracked, so since I had a warranty on the lifetime warranty on the frame, I was able to get the whole bike replaced. So that's why it's nice to get a Trek bike when you have the lifetime warranty on the frame. Okay, so yeah, I really like Trek bikes. And it's the Fat Tire is a Farley. So here's the front. And here's the middle. And here's the back. Here's the tire comparison. So the Fat Tire one is much bigger than the regular bike tire. Okay. Just looking at my notes here. Oh, you can definitely see. Oh, my light went out. Why did my light go out?